Hello buddies and welcome back to this masterclass for the beginner in Python programming language. It's your guy here once again, the Wolf, and today guys we're going still to continue learning on dictionary and you so much welcome. So in the previous lesson we learned about how to loop dictionary, and also we learned on how to remove item from a dictionary, and that was quite good lesson. As of today guys, we're going to learn on how to copy from a dictionary, and also we learn a little bit to do with nested dictionaries, and also maybe a little bit about dictionary methods. So without much ado, just let's get started. Okay, so if you're new guys, I'm using PyCharm, and if you don't know how to install this, make sure you go through my video, my first introduction video. You can learn on how to install PyCharm, and I will just click over here, Python file, copying a dictionary. So copy dictionary, and that is it. Enter on your PC, and there we have the file over there. So you can copy a dictionary simply by just dictionary 2 equal to dictionary 1. Who said so? No, nobody does that. In fact, you cannot. Okay, so let's get started. So copying a dictionary is so easy, but it's not like we normally say that. We can't just say that dic, for example, here, dic1 is equal to the dictionary 2. So you cannot just copy like this. This is just referring this is referring from dictionary 1. And one thing, in fact, if you change anything in maybe dictionary 1 or dictionary 2, it will happen automatically in both side. You see, so the right way of copying a dictionary, we have we have actually an inbuilt method, so we can refer to copy a dictionary here. So from here I can just create a brand again. A variable called my dictionary, and then now control Z. What did I do? Control Z is equal to, now take this dictionary here, just call this guy in fact, and let me just copy that and then bring this guy over here, and now we can copy this guy variable to this my dictionary here. So if I print dictionary here, my dictionary, you can see that we have everything down. We just copied that dictionary from car to my dictionary here. So you can see we have it down here, all the property, the values and the keys. Okay, so another way to copy is to use an inbuilt function called the dictionary method. So to make a copy of a dictionary, we just use this function to just pull everything, the keys and the values. So let's do that. It's a class. Okay, I don't know, but it's a function. Yeah, it's a function of a class. Yeah, I think so. So Control Z, just use this method to copy. So I will just again put car in there, and if I print again that out, you will just find the same result. You see, it's the same result. So again, let's learn on how to to create a nested dictionaries. So to create a nested dictionary, this a dictionary can contain dictionaries within a dictionary within a dictionary, and that is called nested dictionary. That is simply the meaning for that. Okay, let's create a dictionary that contains three dictionaries, right? A dictionary that contains three dictionary. A dictionary, three dictionaries inside one dictionary. Do you get that? So this is the, let's say that, should I create this honestly? Let me just delete everything here. So I'll call it family. Let's say this is my family, right? So family is equal to, let's create this long fast dictionary here. So we'll come down here again and do something simple like this. You see now we will have family also has a child. Let's say child child one, and now, so this child one again addiction, and now look what I did. Look what I did here. Now that's the first dictionary. You see, that's how we create a dictionary always. So this child one has got what we maybe we can say they have name and yeah, name, which is a key. Let's say we give the email. So if I want to print this out, I'll just again put a comma here. Why are you giving me all this error? Okay, so I can print out. So to print that, just bring in this file here. 12 copy, paste. So indentation is the problem here. What are you saying? So if I run this, let me see the error. Perhaps you forgot commas. Oh, where? Where exactly? Invalid syntax. Child 3. So child 3, perhaps I forgot a comma in child 3. Let me see. Really? So guys, let me just print this out. And there is an error somewhere here. I think indentation problem. Let me check it out. There we go. I think I should request this one more here. And yeah, and remove all this. There we go. So let me just run this. Ooh, there is an error somewhere. I don't know. Wait, where's the error, bro? Okay, run it again. Unmatched. It's saying that syntax are unmatched with this. Which line is that? It's saying that line 20. So line 20. Is there line 20? There's no. Oh, there we go. Something wrong there. So let's run again. Yeah, there we go. We have everything printed out. So yeah, that is it for real. Again, you know what? We can create a three dictionary, then create one dictionary that will contain the other three dictionary. In fact, we can do like, we can just have something like this. So we can have three dictionary here. So this is, let's say, child one. Let me just remove this over here. And now this child one is equal. Forgive me for being dirty. I normally tell people that I'm a dirty programmer because I don't know why. I really don't like doing things in a clean way. I don't know. And that gives me a lot more problems. So there we go. So let me just delete everything so that I can have a clean work here. So here is a clean work. This is my clean work. So this is one dictionary. So I want to copy this again, copy that, paste over here. So this is child 2, and now let's say 2028. Let's say what? This is child 2. So I just say family. It's not even how it's edited. Let's just call this. Just hit on. Forgive me for being slow, So let's say family is equal to. Now we can put all those in here. So we can say child 1 in string, child 1. This is now child 1 over here. Error is that. Error, indentation, error. Which line? Child 1 is saying line 2, so I just come back here to line 2 and make some cleanness here. Yeah, so indentation was the problem here. Again, I just come down. Is there an error? No. So let me just print this out. So I will just hit there and then print my family. Now I can copy this, or Control Z, Control copy, Control V, and then now I can run this. Look what we have. Everything. Look, bro. We found this. Wow, child 1, name Tobias here. I didn't print everything. What did I do? Oh, I made a mistake here. So I was just printing child. This should be 2, child 2, and child 3. Let me run this again. Wow, there we go. Now we have everything printed out. So again, lastly, guys, we can, we can access item in a nested dictionary. So to access item from this nested dictionary, we use the name of the dictionary starting with the outer dictionary. So to print the name of, for example, child 2, we just say that my family, this one here. Then remember to use these brackets, square brackets. And now we can refer to a child there, maybe child 2, wherever, child 1, whatever we want. And then we can, again, the name. Remember to put this again and refer the name, for example, right? So I can say name. And if I run that again, guys, look what we got. Tobias. We got the name there. Lastly, guys, we can look through the nested dictionary, and we can look through the dictionary by using the item method. Remember the one that we learned the other day. So this method can be used to look through. So let's do it. For example, we will just say we will just do this. Come down here. Just do that first of all. We say for x, comma, obj, let's say object of that object in my family dot this family over here. Copy this, again paste over here. So this way you can say dot items. Remember the method that we said when we want to get everything. So if I print out, in fact, this is a method. So if I print x, in fact, this is print x here, and there is a problem with the indentation or what? Yes. So I will reach there and move it a little there. Again, I will come down Now I will come back here. I'm using double for loop. Sorry for looping using for loop, but we will learn this later. So for again y in, now we are printing something in object, which is the object, the child and the name, that is the object. So obj, that one valuable, and again I will print. So I will print I'll print y, and then concatenate it with, just assume this because we will learn this later. This is spacing, putting that character over there, not necessarily just splitting space, and those same double colon, I think. So an object again, and an array of y. So just print this out and find out. We have done something really unique today. So this is a dictionary within a dictionaries, and we are using a for loop to print everything. And there you go. You see everything is down here. So guys,